Let's now get you updates on the other top focus, and this is in the build-up to the Ram Janmabhoomi Pujan that is to take place tomorrow, 5th of August, starting noon. We are laying out the entire schedule of what to expect through the day. Remember, special prayers that have already started since yesterday, which will culminate up to noon tomorrow when the Janmabhoomi prayers are to start. The Ram Ki Pedi Rangoli event is to take place there as well. A Diya program has been scheduled for tomorrow as well. Ahead of this big day, new pictures have been released as well, which is going to be the eventual architecture and structure of the Ram temple once it's constructed. These pictures are looking at how the temple will eventually look. Meanwhile, the RSS chief Mohan Bhagwat has reached Ayodhya already. Also, Uma Bharti already there. Let's get in further inputs. We have with us our senior editor, Mandar Fanse, getting us those details here. Mandar, just about a few hours, not even a complete day, a few hours now till tomorrow noon for this grand pujan to take place. You've been getting us all those updates in preparations and multi-layered preparations, various aspects to this here. How is it all looking right now?
It is just magnificent. If you see right down over there at this place, I'm standing at Ram Ki Pedi, and this is the Sarayu Ghat where the Diya ceremony has just started. People from across Ayodhya, they have gathered here, and they have started lighting these diyas. Those will be almost a few lakh diyas which will be lighted. And apart from this, even in the Ayodhya city itself, across all the roads, on the main roads, in the main arterial roads as well, the diyas will be lighted. So today, this evening, the whole Ayodhya city will be completely lighted by these diyas. Lakhs of diyas will be lighted, and the celebration will be shown across the globe by the people of Ayodhya. This is a complete people of Ayodhya event as of now, and since remember, nobody from outside Ayodhya is allowed for this particular event, and since the whole city is sealed from across its places, from all the entry points surrounding Ayodhya, this is now is the moment when the Ayodhya will celebrate in its own way. This is a very traditional ceremony now. Some Ganga Aarti will be also performed here at the banks of Sarayu River, and this is the place, is a historic place since 1992, especially when people, thousands and thousands of people have thronged over here, and thereafter this place has assumed this kind of a proportion, and now this celebration has just started. People have started lighting these diyas.
Yes, Mandar, as you're getting us those images looking absolutely beautiful here, can you also help us understand the security brief that needs to be followed, because it's going to be getting very important people from government, the Prime Minister himself, the UP Chief Minister, the Governor. Them, of course, would be on stage, but as far as the security in the city is concerned, the borders are sealed already. Much of these precautions, of course, are being taken essentially because this is happening amidst the pandemic. But if you could help us understand more details for people living there right now on what needs to be followed to keep that precaution.
Right, as far as precautions are concerned, people have been told to maintain the distance, the physical distance. But apart from that, of course, when it comes to the actual ceremony, when Prime Minister Narendra Modi will enter Ayodhya tomorrow, and from thereafter he will join the rest of the other puja and other rituals, starting from the Hanuman Gadi, because remember, anybody who comes to Ayodhya, he or she has to first go to the Hanuman Gadi, because Hanuman Gadi is considered as a seat of Lord Hanuman, and therefore this is a very, very important place as far as the custom and traditions are concerned, and therefore Prime Minister Narendra Modi would come to Hanuman Gadi first. He will perform a puja over there, and then he will be he will proceed to the actual spot where the stone laying ceremony will happen. And at that particular area, it will be completely cordoned off. The SPG and other security agencies will be there, and only the dignitaries who have been basically invited, they will be they will remain there. What we have been told that most of around 15 people will remain on the dais, which is specifically built over there around that particular area. Apart from that, nobody will be there in that particular puja performance, the Bhumi Pujan performance. Remember, Bhumi Pujan has already started on Monday morning 8:30 by performing Ganesh Puja, and thereafter the Bhumi Pujan is still continuously on. And most of the other dignitaries, like 135 saints from across the different sects of Hindu religion, which have been invited over here, they are performing these pujas. Various motifs, various other totems have been already called in from various places, right from the holy soil to various rivers, the holy rivers, water. Everything is being completely called over here in Ayodhya from whichever place possible, which is considered as holy as far as Hindu religion are concerned. So, of course, all these things are there. This is going to be a historic moment for the whole India, because remember, this is the movement, the Ram Temple movement, which has continued for almost last 4 decades in socio-political arena of independent India, and almost 70 years of the legal tangle which was continued, and thereafter at the instance of Supreme Court order, this mandir is being built now.
Mandar, many thanks for getting us those inputs, really helping us understand the buzz, the atmosphere in Ayodhya right now. We also have with us our colleague, Times Network, Mohit, with us, even in Ayodhya, getting us another aspect to this here. Mohit, where you are right now, if you could not just explain what you're looking at around, more importantly, if you can get in some voices there as well.
You see, it's kind of a Diwali kind of atmosphere over here in Ayodhya. Around 3 lakh diyas all throughout Ayodhya will be lit up, and tomorrow is a big day for Ayodhya, the Janam Bhoomi of Lord Ram. We've witnessed the Bhumi Pujan celebration, the Bhumi Pujan ceremony. Right now we are reporting from Ram Ki Pedi near Sarayu Ghat, and you can see how beautiful it is all lit up. Ayodhya is completely decorated. Ayodhya is ready for the Bhumi Pujan ceremony tomorrow, and in some time from now, all these diyas throughout the Ayodhya, not just Ram Ki Pedi, they all will be lit up, and it will be a Diwali in the month of August for the people in Ayodhya. Remember, all the Ayodhya as of now has been completely decorated. The lanes which lead to Hanuman Gadi and Janambhoomi, they have been painted yellow to give it the feel that Lord Ram used to rule the city of Ayodhya. And as you can see, these are the beautiful visuals from Ram Ki Pedi over here, and these are the diyas that have been put over here. And some time from now, all the
Okay. All right, so we were just going to be breathe on the visuals that you're sending us here. It's looking absolutely beautiful, Mohit.